How to change the Reddit username. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your Reddit username. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to log in your Reddit application. Now once you are in here, you have to go on the home page. So once you are in the home page, here in the top right corner there is the option of your profile. You just have to click on it, and from here you have to go on the user settings. So now once you're in the user settings, here is the option of the profile. You have to click on it. Now as you can see that there is the many various options. So the first option is of the profile information. Here you can add your display name. Here you can set a display name, but this doesn't change your username, so you just have to add your name, and after that you can add the description of yourself that you want to show in your profile. But you can't change your username again in your Reddit application because the Reddit application doesn't give you change your username again. So what you have to do is simply create a new account from which you want to add your username that you want to change. So that's how you can change your username in your Reddit application. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.